Alright, so we're going to do question 16 of 6b. That's question 16 of 6b. So we've got question 16. Oops, sorry about that. Let me flip that over. There we go. Question 16 of 6b. Alright, so the question reads, prove that A relative to C plus B relative to C is going to equal A relative to C. Well, that kind of makes sense visually because I'm going to start at A and end up at C. Oops, sorry about that. We're going to start at A and end up at C, so that's a B there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to assign some variables to our vectors. So here's how we're going to do it. We've got VA, we've got the velocity of A, we've got the velocity of B, and the velocity of C. Alright, so let's call the velocity of A AI plus BJ. Okay? Let's call the velocity of B CI plus DJ. And let's call the velocity of C EI plus, as you can guess, FJ. Alright, so now we're going to prove that this equals that equals that. So let's actually get what this is. Well, this first term there is actually VA take VB. So now I'm going to substitute these in with my variable. So this is actually AI plus BJ take CI plus DJ. I'm going to now expand my brackets and I'm going to collect my I terms and my J terms. So I repeat, I'm going to expand my brackets and I'm going to collect my I terms and my J terms. A take C, that's in my I. A take C, and then we're going to go plus positive B take D. So this here is my terms collected for I and for J. Now let's look at what B relative to C looks like. Well, it's the velocity of B take the velocity of C. So same thing, I'm going to write down what these two vectors are. We got CI plus DJ take EI plus FJ. Once again, like before, I'm going to collect my I terms and my J terms. So if C take E, that's your I, plus D take F, that's your J. Okay. Now my last bit, let's see. Well, what is the velocity of A relative to C? Well, that's going to be VA take VC. So once again, I've got AI plus BJ. I'm going to take EI plus FJ. Once again, collecting my I terms, I have A take E, and I have B take F. So what I'm saying is that plus that should somehow give me this. Well, let's find out. Let's actually go ahead and let's add them together, and hopefully we get something that looks very similar to this guy. So we're going to do the velocity of A relative to B plus the velocity of B relative to C. So I'm going to highlight in orange or in yellow so you can see what I'm adding. I'm going to add this guy over here to this guy. Okay? So I've got ACI plus BDJ plus C take EI plus D take FJ. Once again, let's collect my I terms and my J terms. So I've got A take C, and then I've got plus C take E. That's I, and then I've got B take D plus D take F. Now you probably already see this, but look at my C's there and look at my D's there. Negative C take C. Well, if I have negative of something and then I add that something on, so sorry, negative C plus C. Negative C plus C. So if I have negative 5 plus 5, I'm going to end up with 0. If I have negative 4 plus 4, I'm going to end up with 0. If I have negative 1,000 plus 1,000, I'm going to get 0. So in other words, these two terms cancel out. I'm going to I'll be left with A take E plus B take F, which lo and behold looks exactly the same. As A relative to C as required. Thank you very much.